Alright, so welcome back everyone. In this video, we're making another episode of dropshipping. And as always, we are dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Right now, as you can see, we have AliExpress open in one browser, and I just use another browser when dropshipping to use eBay. So I'll switch to my other account. Alright, so this is our eBay. In order to create a listing, we'll go to my eBay section and click on selling, or to the listings section. And currently, as we can see, we have two listings going on. And one of the very first things you'll do when dropshipping is analyze the market. The very first thing you need to do is find a niche. To find a hot selling item, what's selling best in the market at the moment. To do that, we have a special tool in AliExpress which is called the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. In order to open AliExpress Dropshipping Center, we can either go over to the account, My Orders. You'll see the link which will take you to the Dropshipping Center page. Or the other option would be just search for AliExpress Dropshipping Center, just like so, and it will take you to that page as well. So once you are here, you definitely want to click on this Find Product to Sell. Notice sometimes I keep pausing this video just to save time, but what you do here is click on orders, because we want to sort this list by orders. And notice that on eBay, as a beginner, if you're a beginner, you are limited to sell only 10 items per month, and in some it means you're limited to sell only items for $100. So you definitely want to pick up something that will make some profit. Start looking for something that's from $10. So I think this one looks well. So it has over 9,000 orders per month. So let's open it. One more thing you can do is select the title and look for this item on eBay. Just type eBay at the end of the title and look for it. And here you will see if this product is already selling on eBay. You'll see the list of sellers who are selling this item. But fortunately, this item isn't selling on eBay, so we can try this one. So when you start listing an item, you definitely want to pick up something that looks attractive and something that potential buyers will pay attention to. So we can edit this title. Let's first of all switch back to eBay and create listings. To do that, let's hover over to the listings section and create listing. Alright, so once this page loads up, let's remove this one. Let's put the title. So as you can see, we have some suggested categories. So we want to choose this one because this one looks correct. Okay, so let's now set the condition new, and let's also take a look at this page. The only thing we have here is the color. We can select different colors. We also have the case or bag if we want. So we also have two quantities, I guess, but the one thing that will definitely list is this one. So one more thing that you really need to pay attention to is the rating of the seller and how long this particular seller has been operating on AliExpress. So this seller has been on AliExpress for over a year now, so that's a good indicator. So let's now download this image. So I have already installed this extension in Chrome, which allows me to download the images of a particular product. So by clicking on this item, I'll download every image of this product. Alright, so I've downloaded one image because I don't really need the other images. And let's now switch back to eBay and select some attributes. And one thing to keep in mind is that the more attributes you select, the better your product will be listed, the better eBay will index it. So let's select some obvious attributes. The color is of course white, and we'll also want to check out if it has the active noise cancellation, which is an important feature in earbuds. So if you don't want to look for that title, you can short click Ctrl F and look for noise word noise cancellation, and looks like it doesn't have, at least on this page. That's why we need to go to the specification, of course, and look for the noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation, yes, it has the active noise cancellation, so we definitely want to check this option. And as I've said, the more attributes you select, the better it will be. So just spend some time looking for more attributes to select them. Form factor, let's see what it is. Ear only, yes, ear only. Also, if it has the microphone, I think it does. With microphone, yes, it does have the microphone. So number of earpieces, I think there are 2, but let's see what's inside. Double. Alright, so the manufacturer is China, and we are now in the description field, so let's copy the description starting from here. Just click on this very beginning of the page, and let's scroll down all the way to the end, and let's hold down the shift and select the description and paste it right here. I think looks like we also copied some products which we didn't want, but that's fine for now, I guess. Let's go to the advanced editing and let's click to center all of this. And now let's take a look at the price. When we looked for this product on eBay, we didn't find any matching products, but one thing you definitely want is you want the price of this product to be twice as high as the original price. So if it's selling for $13, we definitely want to choose something like $24.99. And let's leave the quantity as 1 for now, and let me explain you this. So we are now in the shipping settings. So this is the part where you need to pay attention to. So right now it's saying Russia, which is where I'm located now. We also want to choose the China because this product will eventually be shipped from China, because AliExpress is a Chinese website, and pretty much all sellers on AliExpress, most of the sellers are based and located in China. So let's put down a Chinese city, something like, I don't know, Shanghai maybe. I just really don't know how to spell the name of the city correctly. Okay, this one I think looks correct. Okay, so in order to see what this listing will look like, click on preview. And right now we don't have any image set to this product, which we'll do right here if we click on this link, and let's open the folder which we created in our desktop, which I called earbud. Alright, here's the folder. Let's select this image. Now I'll make a separate video explaining the shipping methods, shipping options, shipping locations, the locations that you definitely want to include and the ones that you want to exclude, because not all sellers ship to the same list of locations. Some sellers will ship to certain countries, and there are some blacklisted countries. And here you can also create a table of countries where you want to ship free, and some countries where you want to charge for shipping price. And here, as you can see, we also have a list of countries that we definitely don't want to ship to, and again, I'll put a separate video explaining all of that, and maybe I'll put the link in the description of the video so you can check it out. But this is it, guys. This is pretty much how you create listings on eBay. And thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please like this video, put something in the comment section so I know that you're interested in this topic. I'll be honest, I've been dropshipping for over a year now, and I have to say that I had some ups and downs when doing this, and I had some success, at least when it comes to selling certain products. But thank you for watching, guys, anyway, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again.